Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Ikonik skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with his eyes first. So we're just gonna draw two lines, and they're gonna be slightly, just a little bit slanting upwards. Okay, and then from the corner there, we're just gonna dip it down. So that's pretty much the upper lid, and then now we can draw in the eyeball. So right underneath that line, we're just gonna draw like a little half circle. And I'm gonna shade it in, and I'm gonna try to leave a little bit of highlight. It gets kind of small. Alright, so those are his eyes, and then from there we're gonna draw in the eyebrow. So right above it, I'm going to slant up and then just kind of come down on the corner. And then once you have that, we're just going to give it some thickness. So just go up. So like a little bar, and then on the top here, just kind of pinch it in. Okay, so same thing here. Slant up and then come back down. Then same thing here, go up. Alright, and those are his eyes, and then from there we're going to draw in the side of the face. So just come out to the side here. And go down all the way down to his jawline. Because he's going to be wearing a mask, so there won't be much detail. So once you get about here, just go ahead and just pinch it in. And then there's the chin. Okay, and then from there we just draw a line. Right underneath the eyes, just a little bit of curve. And that's gonna be pretty much his face. And then now I can draw in the hoodie. So for the hoodie, come back up here. Just kind of go up. Close it, round it off. And then let's draw in the whole hoodie shape first before I draw in. I know he's got some hair strands here. So on the side here, we're gonna continue this. Just come out. And then just kind of go back down to the chin. Okay, and then this side is going to come out a little bit more. So it's a little bit asymmetrical. Alright, and then now for the outside, we're going to go up. Let's draw one line across first. And then this one's going to go to this corner here. Just pinch it in. And then for this one, it's going to go out a little bit more. And now we're going to close everything off, just round it off to the middle. And then start in this corner here, whatever space you have, just kind of close everything off. Alright, so that's the hoodie shape, and it's a little bit lopsided. And then now for the hair strands, so just come in the middle here, right above this eye. Just gonna draw one curve. And then go back up, right over the eyebrows. And he's got another strand here, so I'm gonna come down and just go back up. So if you have any kind of overlapping lines, you can always just erase it. And then last one right here, down to the eyebrow. And again, if you have overlapping lines, you can always just erase that. Alright, and that's gonna be, oh, he's got a little bit of pattern here from the eye here. Just come down across his chin there, his mouth. And then this line is going to continue up. So this part is going to be red. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So his body is really simple. Let's come out to the side here. Just go nice and wide. Then we're going to pinch it in all the way down to his waist. And right as you get to the bottom here, just kind of come back out. Gives you a little bit more folding here. And then we'll close that off. And then to draw the fold lines here, from this corner, I'm going to come in. And then this one's just going to go in as well. Alright, so it just makes it a little bit more interesting. And then now for the center here, we're just going to draw two lines straight down. And this part's going to be red. Yeah, so nice and simple. And then now for his sleeves, it's gonna be nice and it's a little bit big. So we're gonna slant out and then just come back into the whole body. So this side, slant out, same thing, and then slant it in. Use the other side for reference. And now for his lower arm, so his upper arm's here. Here's his bicep. Come down, and then his armpit's gonna be here. So bicep's gonna be right around there. And then lower arm, we're gonna flare out. This one's gonna turn. This one's straight down. And then close it. And let's just add one section here. Alright, and then for his glove, come in, little hook, it's gonna be his thumb. Back of the fist, turn it and close it. And let's add a little bit of detail here for the back of the glove. Alright, and then the other side is gonna be almost the same. Just gonna come down. It's gonna be a little bit different from this side. It looks like I made the sleeves a little bit longer on this side. Alright, so here's the bicep, and then lower arm, flare out. Turn. This one's gonna go straight down and close it. Same thing, just add one section. And this time I'm gonna give him a little bit of a hand gesture here. So just come down and then close this first. It's gonna be the back of the palm. And then his thumb's gonna come out from here. Let's go back in. And then right in the middle here, you can make a little mark. And now I'm gonna draw this finger, continue this line, come back to the center of this space here. So that's gonna be one finger, and here's the other finger. Come down, just turn it, connect those. And then his other finger is bent here, so I'm gonna just turn it in and go across. And if you want to, you can add a little bit of line, but it's getting kind of small, so we'll just leave it like that. And then for the glove details here, we're just drawing some lines. And yeah, since we added here, let's add a little rectangle on this side. Okay, and then lastly, just a little bit of detail here. Just gonna draw one line, so this part's gonna be red. Alright, so now let's draw in his lower body. So we come down in the middle here. I'm gonna draw one curve. And then from here, I'm going to draw another curve. Let's give a little bit of fold. Come back up here. Come down. And just curve. Back to the middle. Down, pinch it in, and then just have it come back out. This part's kind of ripped. So I'm just going to come in and just maybe a couple of zigzags. Just close it off. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Down, just curve out like that. Come back to the middle, down, go out, and then again, just a couple of zigzags. Doesn't have to be like this, but as long as you have a little bit of these, make it look like it's ripped. Alright, and then his lower leg, this is gonna be his knee right here. And then for his lower leg, I'm gonna flare out. It's gonna be a little bit skinnier. Turn, let's close it. And it's got those big high tops, so we're just gonna extend this. Come down. Then for the shoe, curve out more. Make it nice and big. Close it, and let's just add in one section for the sole. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Here's his knee. Just kind of pinch it in. Lower leg, flare out. Curve. It's almost straight down. So same detail here. Extend it. Dome shape. come out more on this side. Close it, and then one section, just the same as the other side. Alright, and then for this little detail here, there's gonna be a red stripe, so just draw one line and then draw another one below it. And that is it for this iconic skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.